What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress Themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to create a business website under 5 minutes in WordPress so you can start your site, your agent's or business site with already content that have relation to your business, okay? And all the elements that you need. If you are new to WordPress, if you install WordPress on your new host, your site comes just like this, okay? So without much content, without much relation, and just a general site. How to turn this into a business site under 5 minutes with all the tools that you need to fully customize your site in the way that you want, including logo addition, customizing options, widgets, blocks, icons, and many more things, all for free. This is what you're going to learn into this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours, okay? Now let's get this started. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, and hover your mouse over Appearance. And click into the submenu Themes, okay? Now review the button Add New Theme. Click on it. Now into the upper right corner of your screen, there is a field called Search Themes. Click on it and type Enzu, just like this. And here is the guide we are looking for, Enzu WordPress theme. It's free, you can install just like this. Now click into the Activate button, and the theme is gonna redirect you to the welcome page of the theme, okay? So we're gonna use the first step, install essential plugins. Click on install and activate plugins. We're gonna be installing Borderless plugin. All you have to do is click on install. Now click into the activate, and now do the same with Elementor website builder. That is gonna be our website builder interface. Now return to required plugins and click into the activate button. Simple, easy, and for free. Now, independently of where you click on your site, you can click on dashboard. Elementor gonna shows you this page where they want to set up an account. You can click into the X button into the upper right corner of your screen, okay? To close this tab. You have no need to create account there, okay? Let's keep all for free and simple and free of newsletter emails, okay? Now, all you have to do is review the left sidebar of menus on the WordPress dashboard. Once again, we have Enzu and Borderless menus now, okay? Hover your mouse over Borderless and click on Library, okay? And right here we have lots of pre-built websites, but we're gonna keep things for free and we want to have a business site. So here is our business site. We can preview the site and also we can import. We're gonna click on Import. We have all the required plugins. Now all we have to do is click on import. We're going to be installing the options and the demo page, the templates, the icons, the sets. All done. Now we can visit the site or customize the site in the way that we want. In order to apply logo types, styles, fonts, elements, and we can use Elementor, okay? So you have your business site ready to go. And here is our website. Simple, easy, and very effective. And of course, related to your business, okay? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borderless plugin, our Enzu WordPress theme, or Growth.net platform to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or Sites.gallery to promote your site, your app, your game design, and finally our Visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. In addition, for premium blogs, assets, tools, templates, plugins, just go to Visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and go pro. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!